Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a really nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was near its lows to where it ultimately closed right there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice bounce from, where it was towards the lows. But that does also lead to the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And this area on the chart, I would call right here at 19 cents. Why is 19 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, a bounce that's actually a bounce, well, the price is going to keep on bouncing, right? Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a bounce is truly a bounce, it's going to make progress forward. It would be a contradiction if it went back to where it was. Yeah, exactly. So with that in mind, think about 19 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range it was when it was flirting with those lows. Whereas let's say the price actually pulls back, not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, price, behaves in this manner. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this previous set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I am quantifying and defining make progress as 19 cents. So definitely a very important level of support going into tomorrow. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. You can see it's already knocked down the price on several different occasions. Not saying that the price can't break through that purple line. I'm just saying that according to the story of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight through it and then be able to stay up above it. So nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this bounce tomorrow. And today's not Friday. Build upon this bounce tomorrow or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.